A recent report by MIT suggests that 95% of organizations that have invested in AI have received zero returns. That means despite investing $40 billion in AI, they have nothing to show for. So the question arises, if AI hasn't delivered any results, why are companies still laying off thousands of employees in the name of AI? Let's find out. Guys, MIT just released their 2025 AI report. It showed that 60% of companies want to integrate AI in their workflows, but only 20% of them reach to the pilot stage, and only 5% of them successfully implement AI in their workflows. Only 5%. But that contradicts what we have seen so far. Workers from over 90% of companies that MIT surveyed regularly use personal ChatGPT accounts, cloud subscription, and other consumer AI tools to automate significant portion of their jobs. Then why are companies finding it difficult to integrate AI for the same work that their employees are using ChatGPT for? Why is it that after investing $40 billion in AI, 95% of companies fail to adopt custom AI tools at enterprise level? Are they starting to realize that they have made a mistake with investing in AI? But if that was the case, then why hasn't layoffs slowed down? What is happening? The interview with a corporate lawyer in MIT report explains the reason behind this problem. Her organization invested $50,000 in contract analysis tool, a custom AI tool built over ChatGPT. Yet, she still uses ChatGPT for drafting work. She said, our purchased AI tool provided rigid summaries with limited customization option. With ChatGPT, I can guide the conversation and iterate until I get exactly what I need. The fundamental quality difference is noticeable. ChatGPT consistently produces better output, even though a vendor claims that they use same underlying technology. When the same lawyer was asked, why don't you use ChatGPT for everything then? Why do you still need junior lawyers to work on your contracts? What do junior lawyers bring to the table that even ChatGPT can't? To this, she said, ChatGPT is excellent for brainstorming and first drafts, but it doesn't retain knowledge of client preference or learn from previous edits. It repeats the same mistakes and requires extensive context for each session. For high stakes work, I need a system that accumulates knowledge and improves over time. And that's the problem across all organizations which are using ChatGPT or custom AI tools built on ChatGPT in their workflows. AI, in its current stage, forgets context, doesn't learn, and can't evolve. For mission critical work, 90% of enterprises still prefer humans, and the gap is structural. Gen AI lacks memory and adaptability. So, what does that mean for us and for our jobs? The result from this survey reveals that AI has already won the war for simple work. 70% of people prefer AI for drafting emails, 65% for basic analysis, and for sales and marketing outreach. But for anything complex or long term, humans still dominate by 9 to 1 margin. The dividing line isn't intelligence, it's memory, adaptability, and learning capability, the exact characteristics that separate a human from an AI. So it means employees that do complex tasks, their jobs are still safe for now, while repetitive work is being outsourced more and more to AI. But in a world where layoffs make daily news, is any role truly safe for long? Not quite. See, AI enterprises realize their shortcomings. They are working on improving learning capability of AI tools. Agentic AI, memory frameworks like network agents and MCP build an AI system that can learn and remember. Once these technologies are mainstream, who knows what the future will hold for us?